Michael, Mr. High. I drink, I smoke, I fuck. My kind, we fight in the club. I mix up that vodka with that chronic and I feel that love. I dream, I work, I bleed. I say things that I don't really mean. I'm not into jailbait, but my girlfriend's only 17. Can I hit that? Can I rip that? Can I lick that? Can I get that from behind? I'm murdering and stabbing so much badge. I'm wonderful patricide. I'm living a life of sin. No, I don't have any friends. Now the rain is coming and I'm running from myself again. I feel this darkness coming over me. It's taking over me. Now you can rest in pieces by the time the sun goes down. Now, nigga, you can rest in pieces. That's why everybody gone now. Fuck the world, nigga. Ain't nobody getting out alive. Let's ride, motherfucker. We all gone now. We already dead. Ain't nobody getting out. I paint a picture that's perfect so you can see what I'm saying. I state it perfectly clearly so that you know I ain't playing. Cause I don't give a fuck about you, all that shit that you saying. Because you caught up in the matrix, you blind, you sleeping on me. I dream, I work, I bleed. I say things that I don't really mean. But mostly when I drink too much and I'm smoking too much cushion. I'm under too much pressure, I think I think too much. I can't find my peace of mind, I feel like I'm losing touch. I feel this darkness coming over me. I can't take it, I can't escape all this hating. It's my turn, I'm retaliating now. By the time the sun goes down, I know you feel me, nigga. You feel me, nigga? That's why everybody gone now. Fuck the world, nigga. Ain't nobody getting out alive. Let's ride, motherfucker. We all gone now. We already dead. Ain't nobody getting out. So put your guns up, player, and raise them up high. It's a revolution. You know we can't be denied. It's the beat of it. We born to rise. It's a motherfucking thing, and we down for life. Let's ride. All day, all night. Let's ride. Let's get out of life. Let's ride. Everybody go now. Fuck the world. Ain't nobody getting out. No, I won't stop. I just rock and I battle your whole clique. You a homo, you a trick. Silly faggot ass bitch. I expose that dirty bitch for a hoe. That she is. Make her cry. Make her fast switch. Big come on and fix. I'm a rock. I'm a roll. I'm a shot. Take it slow. When I blow. Niggas out. I'm like wow. Come on down. Every note. Then I roll. Drop and get drunk like the smoke. On that high. I go so high. So I don't know when it's time. Cause I try to do right. And I can't figure out why I get schizo and psycho. I go Jekyll to hide. It's these voices inside. It's that darkness above me. Makes me turn away from good to bad and to ugly. That's why drugs seem so lovely, like a way to escape all this ugliness above me. How much more can we take till we break and we take back the world from these fake motherfuckers? I hate Big Brother. Do you think it's too late?